Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG, semester second book. Yesterday, we have already completed small m. Yes or no? We have already completed small m. M for moon, M for mouse, M for mitten. M for mitten. And I asked you to trace the lines to complete the pattern and write the letter M. Read and write M for moon, M for moon, M for mouse, M for mouse, M for mitten. Yes or no? And you have already colored this mitten. Colored this mitten. Today we will learn new alphabet, small letter, that is N. That is small n. Small n. So, see here. N for nose, small n. N for nose, small n. N for nose, small n. N for nurse, small n. N for nurse, small n. N for nurse, small n. N for nuts, N for nuts, small n. N for nuts. So nose means तुम्हारा नाक. तुम्हारा नाक है ना, सबका देखो नाक है. यस, दिस इज नर्स हु बी इन द हॉस्पिटल. नर्स जो हॉस्पिटल में रहते हैं. ठीक है. कलर द नट्स. नट्स यानी जो हम ऐसा फोड़ते हैं ना, अंदर से बीज निकलता है, उसको नट्स बोलते हैं. शेंगा, मूंगफली भी नट्स होता है. ये तुम्हारा बादाम है, इसको तुम फोड़ोगे तो अंदर खाने के लिए मिलता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नट्स. तो इसको तुम ऐसा आउटलाइन दे दो. पहले इस तरह से आउटलाइन दे के इसको कलर करना है. यू हैव टू कलर द नट्स. ओके. ट्रेस द लाइन टू कंप्लीट द पैटर्न. Trace the line to complete the patterns here. This way you have to give. This way you have to write. This is the pattern for small n. Small n. That means you can write here. This is the pattern. This is the pattern for n. Pattern for n. This way you have to go on writing. Here. This way. And now write the letter N. See here. N. How to write N? See here. Small n. Small n. N for nose. N for nose. N for nose. N for small n. N for nurse. Small n. N for nurse. Small n. N for nuts. Small n. N for nuts. You should say and write now. See here. N for nose. Small n. N for nose, 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 then here, small n. N for nurse, 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 and small n for nuts. 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 And this is a nose. This is a nose. This is a nose. What you should say and write? N for nose, N for nurse, N for nurse. In this way, you have to read and write. You have to read and write. That is small n. How to write here? Small n. How to write? After you completing this page, open your 4-line book. See here. Yesterday we have completed small letter M. How to write I have showed you. Now small letter N I will show you. See here. This is your book, no? S-M-A-L-L. Small letter L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter, what we will write? N. We will write N. Listen here how to write. So, see here. Here you have to write small n. Small n for nose. Small n for nose, n for what? Nurse. N for nurse. Small n for nut. Small n for nut. Small n for nose. Small n for nose. N for nuts. N for nuts. N for nurse. N for nurse. This way you have to complete N 2 pages. N 2 pages. Now small letters I have completed A to small letters. I have completed A to N. Small letters A to N. Capital letters A to Z. A to Z completed. Now A to N we will read capital and small letters. How to read and how to write. See here, capital and small letters A to M we have completed yesterday. Today we will complete A to N. A to N. See here, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, small n. Have you got it? A to N. A to N. You also should read and write in the same way. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k. You can see now? Capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n. You read and write for 2 pages. for 2 pages. A to Z 1 page. A to Z 1 page. Now A to N. Now I have taught you. A to N, capital and small letters. A to N you have to write for 2 pages. For 2 pages. And now I have completed N, only N. N for nose, N for nurse, and for nuts. That is 2 pages. That is 2 pages. Read and write. Reading of capital letters. Reading of capital letters. Don't forget to read these also. You read daily. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And these are the small letters now. See here. A for ant, A for actor, A for aeroplane. A for ant, A for actor, A for aeroplane. B for basket, B for basket, B for bus, B for bus, B for bird, B for bird. C for cake, C for cake, C for car, C for car, C for candy cane, C for candy cane. D for dog, D for dog, D for desk, D for desk, D for dinosaur, D for dinosaur. Match the pictures also we have completed. A, small a for ant, B for boat, C for cup, D for doll, D for doll. Okay. Small E for exercise, E for exercise, E for elbow, E for elbow, E for envelope, E for envelope. F for fish, F for foot, F for fan, F for fan. G for gift, G for gift, G for girl, G for girl, G for gava, G for gava. H for hair, H for house, H for hat, H for hair, H for house, H for hat. Then circle the letter, circle the correct letter. We have already circled with the help of the pictures. With the help of the pictures. I for idlis, I for idlis, I for insect, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for ink pot. Small j, J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit, J for jeep, J for jeep, J for jelly, J for jelly. K for kite, K for kite, K for kitten, K for kitten, K for kettle. Say K for kettle, K for kettle. L for lips, L for lips, L for ladder, L for ladder, L for lamb, L for lamb. Select the correct picture. We have already I for we have selected, J for selected, K for selected, L for selected, and we have already corrected. So revision of small letters from A to what we have completed? N. A to N. Small letters. Only small letters. Small letters A to N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And this is M. This is M. Today what we have completed. And this is small n. Small n. Have you got it? Okay. So, A to capital and small letters A to N. You have to write for 2 pages. This is the homework for you. And one more homework is for you, A to Z and N only N, 2 pages. Read and write.